Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and in this video we're going to show you how to set tubular rivets with two different peening tools. So let's get going. Okay, so here we are at my work table, and we're working on these Sleek Nomad bags. So here's one in the rustic brown, and I already crinkled it all up so you can kind of see what it's capable of, the texture and stuff in there. But anyway, we have a bunch of hand punches, but the ones we use most are these, and these things actually screw out and in, so we can put different sizes on there. But we keep these the same size, and we call these small, medium, and large. Basically, we use the medium one to punch the holes for our rivets. So let's do that. So here again, want to get it centered. And then we'll do the other one. It's good. There. Okay, so we're gonna do these two for the bag, and then I'm going to show you a different peening style in this piece of leather right here. So there we go. So then we just put our rivet in here like that, and same for these two. And you can see it comes out on the other side there. And for here also. There we go. And let's grab a few washers and go over to the table where we set these, okay? So I'll see you over there. Okay, so here we are at the anvil, right? Well, actually it's an old Chandler paper cutter. You got this, and then this here. This is the blade. I just thought I'd take this opportunity to show it to you because it's such a cool machine. And then when you cut paper like up to 4 inches thick, you just throw that down and the blade cuts it. You don't want to put any digits in there because it will cut everything underneath it. All right, let's go show you how to set some rivets. So the reason we use this table is because it's solid steel, and you need a hard surface to set rivets and snaps and all that on. If you use a soft surface, the surface is going to absorb the impact and you won't get a good set. So let's first do our bag here, the Sleek Nomad that we're working on. And so basically you saw me put these in over my work table. We're just going to put a washer on there. And we have two setting tools. This one provides a round bead, and this one is more of a flower. And we're going to show you the flower one on here and the difference between the two. Okay, so first you got your got the washer on there, and we just put this tool over it. There's a little notch in there, so it goes right in. It fits right into the hole of the tubular rivet, and basically. Okay, and there that one is, and then this one here. Okay, and so there's that one. Now, we'll show you the two compared again, and let's pop a rivet on here. We've got a lot of throat on there because this is a thinner piece of leather. I don't know how this is going to work actually, but let's see. There we go. So there it is, all flattened out. You see that head there versus, here's the difference on the two. Hope you can see them there. This one's round and flat and smooth. This one's got like a flower shape on it. And that's how we set rivets. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on another one. Bye.